Increasing height in just 1 month is not a realistic expectation, as height is primarily determined by genetic factors and growth patterns during childhood and adolescence. However, there are certain factors that can contribute to overall growth and development, which may include maximizing your potential height. Here are some tips and suggestions that may help. Proper nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients is crucial for overall growth and development. Ensure that your diet includes adequate amounts of proteins, calcium, vitamins, particularly vitamin D, and minerals. These nutrients support bone health and growth. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activities, such as stretching exercises, yoga, and swimming, which can help improve posture and maintain spinal health. While exercise won't directly increase your height, it can help you maintain good overall health and improve your posture, making you appear taller. Sufficient sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for growth and development, especially during adolescence. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. During sleep, the body releases growth hormones that contribute to bone growth. Good posture. Maintaining proper posture can help maximize your height potential. Practice standing and sitting with your back straight, shoulders back, and head held high. Avoid slouching or hunching, as it can make you appear shorter. Avoid factors that can stunt growth. Certain factors, such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and substance abuse, can hinder growth and development. Avoid these habits to promote healthy growth. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have concerns about your height or growth, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can assess your growth patterns, conduct necessary tests, and provide personalized advice. Remember, everyone has a genetically determined height potential, and it's essential to focus on overall health and well-being rather than trying to achieve rapid height increase in a short period of time. Patience, healthy lifestyle choices, and self-acceptance are key factors in promoting positive growth and development.